In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change your email on GeForce Now. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have an account on GeForce Now, you actually have the option to change your email address and other personal information, so you will be able to modify it at any time as long as you can confirm that you are the owner of the original email and the new one. You will be able to switch emails as many times as you wish. You just have to establish this connection and confirm that you are the owner. So to start, you will have to sign into your account on the official NVIDIA website. You will have to go over to this page, profile.nvgs or NVIDIA Gaming Service.nvidia.com. Alternatively, you can just go over to Google and sign into the NVIDIA profile portal. So look for this page on Google and sign in. Make sure that you are on the official website. And as long as you are on the official NVIDIA website, you will be able to sign in through various different methods. Sign in however you prefer. You just need to access your GeForce Now account. If you have lost access to your email, then you might have to contact customer support. You will only be able to easily change your email if you have access to both the original email address and the new one, so keep that in mind. Once you are signed into this page, you will be able to go over to Profile. So on your account page, after you click on your icon, go to Profile, and then you will find contact information, including primary email. Just choose the option primary email under contact info and you will be able to change it here. So you will be able to change your primary email and use your password to confirm. Any valid email address will do. You will need to receive a confirmation message, and after you ensure that you confirm this on the old and new email, it is going to be listed here. The new email will appear, it is going to be fixed on your account, and you will be able to sign in and manage all of your NVIDIA promotions, two-factor authentication, and so on through the new email. I hope I was able to help you on how to change your email on GeForce Now. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.